So where are we?
We are at Old Val's Mill in Rutland.
Awesome, a fall in Rutland.
Well, kind of.
It's a fake one, I think.
I don't know. I don't know what it is. More for generating electricity, seems like it. But let's take a look.
This is the prison of Rutland.
Yeah, they're cool. Just like the blue one. Looks like a trike. Woohoo! We need this. Yeah, of course. I don't mind. Today we're on our way to the Walmart for a new bike. A year ago we bought a bike at the Walmart in Orlando, and it worked out fine. But now these days we have a lot of hills and well, most of them in valleys.
So we want gears.
Yeah, we want gears because sometimes it's too steep to get up the mountain with our bike. So we're looking for some new bikes with gears, and well, we need something new. So let's check it out.
They're still here.
Which one do you want?
This one or that one? This one.
Oh, nice.
I always buy bikes that are white.
Yeah, so not this time.
Well, there's white.
Yeah, so you have to clean it up every time. Oh, the other one. Gonna try them all. So these are the choices.
Well, I made my choice.
Yeah. What is your choice?
Yes, Inu.
Okay, you can have me. So you finally bought it. Are you happy?
Yeah.
And now?
We try it.
Yep. Take it for a test drive. So it's time for dinner. We're starving, so let's go inside at the Wendy's and get a burger and, well, a drink. So where are we at?
Wendy's.
Why?
Why? Because you wanted it.
Oh yeah, we're starving. The Baconator. Baconator. Let's see what's in there.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Bacon.
Beef.
Bacon.
Ketchup, bacon, cheese. Ah, that's it. Nothing special.
Good.